This is the beginning of the collaboration between the US Army and Bhutan, and there is a lot of things that we can learn from each other. So we really we really look forward to again cooperate with the US Army, not only in terms of disaster management, but also in terms of emergency medical services development in the country. We have actually learned a lot of things from the US Army. I think their vast experience in emergency response in these disasters, I think it was very useful for us, especially their experience starts not only from the natural disasters, they have also worked in the crisis,
Desks, or whether it's to the public, whether it's communicating to...
If US Army can help Bhutan how to work between the civil authority and military for the emergency response, I think that would be very helpful for the country.
US Indo-PACOM has responded to 36 large-scale natural disasters to save lives, to alleviate human suffering, and to preserve critical infrastructure. We have found true partners here, and I think that this is the first step of a many-step, a 10,000-step experience to working with Bhutan, to building a better partnership, and to truly beginning to understand each other on a basis of mutual respect and an understanding how US Indo-PACOM can support Bhutan's development as a leader in disaster response and disaster risk mitigation.